back around, do the weave a second time, come back around, line up, then we're going to high speed accelerate to the midway point where Grandma's going to.
Today we're going to show you some drills we did with my grandson, a new rider, that are helpful for all of us that we should all be practicing and doing on a regular basis. So hang out with us and check out these drills that we all should be doing, not just new riders. All right, Aaron's getting ready to pull out. We're getting ready to go over to see my grandson. Just want to say welcome. Welcome to Road Rush Nation. I'm Terry, your host here, and thank you so much for stopping by and checking out the channel. Really appreciate it if you're a member of the nation. If you'd like to be a member of the nation, it's free. All you need to do is hit that subscribe button and you're in. All right, this is a beautiful Saturday here in Kansas. No wind. And we are traveling over to see my grandson, who just got that Honda Rebel 300 and is just learning to ride. Aaron and I are the only riders within our family, so we're the ones. Oh, we're waiting for dust. See, we live on a dusty road. Okay. We are the only bikers in the family. Riders, bikers, whatever you want to call us. And we're going to go over and give him some drills to practice with. He's been out riding, which is always a little nerve-wracking, because when you take those classes, and I don't care, Harley, whatever, and you pass it, which is great, congratulations, it still doesn't give you the knowledge and riding skills that you need to be aware of on the road. For example, he was complaining to me last night in some of his texts, he's giving me updates of what he's doing, is he came to a hill and he wasn't in the right gear and he had a hard time, he had a car honking at him, and it wasn't a good situation. Now, he admits it was his fault, but that's because, in all fairness, he doesn't have the knowledge of, he's pointing out where he wants me to ride. He doesn't have the knowledge of how to deal with starting on a hill. Oh, got it. Okay, what he's telling me is the dust is blowing my way. Get up next to him so that I'm blowing, the dust is going to the right and not blowing on him and not blowing on me. Okay, that's what that was all about. Okay, so back to what I was saying is he doesn't have those kind of basic skills, and no rider comes out of those. They can't cover everything in those classes. That is not a ding on those classes whatsoever. That's just the reality of them. You get that from riding years and years, maybe even talking to somebody a more experienced. Now, Aaron and I have been riding, okay, here we go, we're going to date ourselves, since the 1970s. I got my first bike when I was 9 years old. I was lucky my dad didn't hold back on, hey, you're a girl, you can't ride. Nope. We were out riding dirt bikes in the early 70s. So, and Aaron, about the same time, took up riding. Now, I took a few years off because of kids, and of course, Aaron, he rebuilt bikes. We've had all kinds of bikes. I started out on a Suzuki, I've had Hondas, I've had Yamahas, and pretty much the same for Aaron. And then, last 15 years, I was able to finally, the kids are grown, gone, out of the house, went through a pretty nasty divorce, and said, all the things I loved that I gave up, I am gonna go back and start living life. Anyway, got into my riding, back on the Harley, started out on a Sporty, went up to a Heritage, then to my first Street Glide. This is my second Street Glide, and yeah, you can't get us off the bikes. So anyway, we passed that passion, I guess, on to my grandson, who's 22, and we're, like I said, we're gonna go over there and make sure he's safe, start him on some drills, and we're gonna share those with you and where we got those drills from. So hang on, let's go to Topeka, Kansas.
Here we go. Stop. Alright.
Yeah, I gotta get better at not getting
Keep your, yeah, well, just don't touch it.
Yeah.
Put your grip on the front. Alright. Now, when you take off, I want you to go ahead and engage the clutch a little bit. So as you know you're getting ready to take off, give it a little bit of gas, engage the clutch so you feel it pulling against it. Alright? Then I want you to bring both feet up and let out on the clutch nice and easy. But if you have to, apply some pressure to the rear brake. Okay? Alright. You ready? Here we go. Easy, easy, easy. Stop. Alright. Stay off of the front brake. You ready? Here we go. Too fast, too fast. Alright, you ready? Stop. Alright. Ready? Alright, here we go. Stop. Okay, last corner. Here we go. And stop. Alright. Good job. Good job, good job. Let's do that again. Next time down. 1, 2, stop.
You ready, right? You ready? Go!
Accelerate, give it some gas.
So Aaron's going to show Alex what his bike is capable of. Even though it's a smaller bike, doesn't mean you can't do, and you're going to need to make those hard stops. So here comes Aaron to show him what his little bike will do, and it's not so little.
Keep your RPMs up.
got it. Don't quit. He's getting so much better every time he tries one of these drills. Uh-oh. I hear Aaron, which means he's going to try it in the big boy. Yup, here he comes. Can't be shown up by the young kid. Good. I was like, what the hell? Look on Aaron's face. He's doing great. Oh. Alex, you can do it too. Woohoo! Can Aaron do it 2 times in a row? Oh ho ho! Yep, yep. These are drills we got to practice. So we've been out here for a few hours working on drills with Alex, and you can see Aaron has even used his bike. I was just doing the camera work for it, and it has been fantastic to watch Alex just improve his skills. And these are things that we all should be practicing. As you can see, Aaron was like, oh, I need to do this just as much as you do, which I need to do just as much, but I was doing all the camera work today, otherwise I'd be doing the same drills with them. The system that Aaron used for this training was Ride Like a Pro, and I'll have links to the package and that system and his YouTube channel so that you can check out some of the drills. He's got advanced courses and so on, but this is your basics that we all should be practicing regularly to master our bikes. And you can see even on a little bike it can be a challenge, but you can still do it on the larger bike as Aaron was doing it on his CBO. So thank you so much for stopping by. Hopefully you found this interesting. If you're a beginning rider, get these drills down. You want to be able to master your bike. You just riding it out on the highway is one thing, but these other slow skills and these other smaller skills are so essential on being successful and being evasive and being safe out there. All right, don't forget, if you're a member of the nation, thank you so much. Really appreciate it. If you'd like to be a member of the nation, it's free. All you need to do is hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming episodes. Ride safe, and I hope to catch you on the highways.